So I was about to decase a 4-day-old GoPro Hero 10 I received. Why was I decasing it? Well, you're about to find out. See here. Buttons aren't working. Neither power button nor the record button. Holding the power button pressed, but no luck. Pressing the record button also isn't triggering the record function. Touchscreen is non-responsive too. Tried multiple times, but nothing worked. I even tried holding the mode button pressed for 10 seconds. Still didn't work. One last attempt, before I prepare the hacksaw. Format your micro SD card and create a text file on the card. File name factory_reset. Save the file. Then insert this micro SD card in your GoPro, and power it on. It will take some time to repair itself, just wait patiently and voila! It will start working again. Yes. Thanks to Jessia05 on the GoPro community forum for the solution. No decase. Hero 10 lives.